Hello, Jim Tech Bros on a quick unboxing of the all new Edifier earbuds, which are the Neobuds Pro, which do kind of look similar to the TBS MV2s, which you'll see now in a minute. Which, check these out, these are excellent, and you'll see what I mean by that in a second. So this is the packaging here. Not sure this is the final. This is on Indiegogo at the moment, and this is what the packaging looks like here. It's well presented, as you can see, and you've got this lovely slide out compartment down here on the bottom, which is really nice. So let's have a look and see what's in there. First, you get your cable there, which is USB-C to USB-A, and you will get your usual instructions in here. So inside, you're going to get your gel. You get this little Edifier pouch, which is really nice, the brand in there. Drawstring, and that's what that looks like there. And of course, you will get your extra tips and your instruction booklet there. So that's pretty much what's in there. Let's have a look at the actual earbuds themselves. So that's all there is to it there. So this is the case here. You can see the similarities there between the two. Well, this is more finely finished here with this kind of finish up on top, which is metal, and the branding there. And when you open them up here, you get this cool LED effect here. Really like that there. So now you'll see what I mean by looking at the previous. These look a bit smaller. So that's the TWS MB2, if I've got the name right. And let's pop these. So that's them there. So you've got left and right. You have two connection points there. You can see the connection points inside here, left and right. And on the back is you've got your USB-C port with the Edifier logo there. And you can see there's a slight difference here between the two there when it comes to that. So I'm just going to check them out for size, and we'll just pull one of them there for comparison. You can see that they are a bit of a slimmer profile, and they have a different colour, which is a nicer colour in fact, so all the better. So what's new about these? These have got noise cancelling, and they've got LHDC and ACC codec, and biamp and DSP based crossover technology as well. And we have got 96 kHz to 48-bit HD audio over Bluetooth. So it sounds really good as a package, so I'm looking forward to testing out the audio signature in these. And Edifier have been always consistent with their earbuds when it comes to their audio signature, and they're always pretty clear. Clarity is excellent, and in general an overall excellent sound experience. But these are a nice slimmer profile here. They look really nice, and again they're something different. They're not your typical circular kind of tube kind of shaped stems like you see most of the time. These have got more edgy design, which is really nice, and they'll stand out and they look nice in this colour that we've got here. So check them out. Any questions, give us a shout. Check the Indiegogo link. You'll see the full details there, and these are really nice, and they're going to be going for 99 quid or something like that. The price probably might change depending on where you are. But again, any questions, of course, hit us up. And if you want a comparison done to the previous TWS MB2s, just give us a shout and we'll do that as well. But anything in general you want to know, do let us know, and we'll be sharing our results pretty soon on techbuzzireland.com. So that's it now for the first look and unboxing of the Neobuds Pro from Edifier, the first high-res ANC earbuds. We'll talk to you next one. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you shortly.